Hi, Group 8. My name is Angela. I'm from Group 4. I just wanted to say thank you so much for your speech presentation. It was really great. I thought your group was very cohesive and it was definitely informative. You guys, I could tell that there was a lot of research put into your speech, which I really appreciated because there was a lot. There were things that I didn't even know that I learned in the presentation. Um, I really liked how, and I believe it was the legislative, where there was a graph kind of to split things apart and show it on the screen. So the member who did that, I thought that was really nice. And one thing I would say if there was a criticism would be that there were a lot of words on the PowerPoints, like the bullet points, and it was very almost overwhelming. So I think if it was more condensed, and just not as much information up on the screen to read because it kind of distracted me from what was being said. Overall, thought it was great, and I really appreciated all your hard work. I thought it was a great topic for the number of people you had. You were able to evenly distribute things and evenly, talk about the branches. So, definitely was impressed, and I really liked this speech. So thanks so much for putting it together, and hopefully I'll see more of your videos in the future.